How to reset your Bank of America online banking details. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll guide you on how you can reset your Bank of America's online banking, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to reset your Bank of America's online banking details, such as maybe you forgot the passcode or login ID, it's very simple. Open your browser, go to bankofamerica.com, and then you will see this type of interface where what you need to do is just make sure to tap the login button that you can find from the top right. And now here, just tap and continue to log in. It'll prompt you to get the app, but that is for mobile banking, and mobile banking and online banking is a little bit different because mobile banking can only be accessed from the app and online banking can only be accessed from the website. Once you're here on this page, if you had remembered your account details, you would be able to log in using your user ID and password. But since we don't remember it, you want to make sure to tap the forgot ID or password option here. Once you tap the forgot ID or password option, right over here, first of all, make sure to enter your card account number, only the last 6 digits though. So enter the last 6 digits of your card or maybe your bank account number. Once you've done that, enter the social security number or your tax identification number. After you've done that, tap the continue option. It will verify whether an account exists with this number or not, and once it verifies that, it will take you to the page where you can enter a new password without having to remember your old password, and you can successfully log into your online banking after you reset it with a new password. This way you can reset your Bank of America online banking details. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.